adventure, ghost adventure. I suddenly found there is a paranormal lockdown called the when the lights out, something like that. I haven't seen the movie though. The oops.
At Santa Monica, lagi ako bentar lagi upload.
Hi guys. I just going back home and I just turned on the AC. Today it's actually let me put you in your guys. It's bummer. I just got back from work and I'm laid down here in my bed, as you can see. So yeah, I was trying to shoot with my iMovie and my photo booths and update some vlogs while there about last night, but I can shoot the video, but I don't have the audio from the video. I don't know what is happening with the built-in microphone, I think. And yeah, this girl is been with me since 2009 and with me to oh, it's low battery 2 years, and I got the one in 2005 until now. And I tried to put up with my Nikon 5100s, and my SD card just out of memory. And guess what? My phone too. So I must delete some of the photos that I have and videos. Then I recorded. Then accidentally, I deleted the last video that I shoot about this video. And I reshoot it again. So yeah, so maybe in 2017, my wish list is to have more SD cards, more memory on my phone, maybe new phone, maybe iPhone 7, I don't know, with the highest memory, because this one is 16. Should have my SD card for my Nikon and new batteries, so I can have 2 batteries, so I don't have to rechargeable each time that I shoot out, and maybe a mini pocket camera for vlogging for you guys. So I'm gonna be heading for bath now because I got itch in my head. Clean my hair. Something like that. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. And I will vlog it tonight about it and upload it tonight too. So see ya guys. I'm back, you guys. I'm back. Okay, I don't know what really happened there when I just got back from work. Already here at around like 6 o'clock today, and yeah, and to just have dinner with my mom and my dad. And yeah, today is Mother's Day, and I've just pretending that I forgot to tell her about this Mother's Day. It's 22nd December is Indonesian Mother's Day. So what I want to talk about, oh yeah, I'm going to, oops, you can't see that. I'm going to edit first and then upload about the vlog that I had yesterday and tonight. Hopefully I got it tonight on, so you guys see it tomorrow. What happened today? Just found out that on the 26th, we have a holiday at work, so I can vlog you guys, yay. So I don't know what will I do on the 26th, because tomorrow my mom will be leaving to the airport at 1 p.m. visit my brother there, and his girlfriend will be going also, that I will tell you beforehand. It's been a lazy day actually today, but I haven't done any work for like about a week or so, a heavy one, and then suddenly it's almost holiday, guys, almost Christmas and almost New Year's, and you give me a pile of work. It's not a holiday at all because I'm planning to have a day off on the second and the third. If I could have the leave for that, because I still have to leave dua izin, maksudnya dua cuti. So yeah, so I haven't give my mom anything because I only give her pictures of us and saying Happy Mother's Day because December, because there's a lot of events coming, and yeah, I must pay something, and I'm glad that I have two of the jobs that I have excluded from the work, from the office. One is from the organizations that I have. It's always voluntary, it's not paid. The other one is a children's storybook that I illustrate a little boy. $10 per page. I do it digitally. I don't know. What do you guys think? I haven't. Why asking you is because I haven't done like a personalized storybook before. So I don't know how much for the cost for it, because yeah, story about yeah, the live, but not to pay a live. It's so I'm laying down again, and it's a bad habit that I have. I don't know if I must change it again. That's different here. Don't see that. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, you guys. Are you guys alright? Oh my god, come on. Okay, focus. I'm sorry, guys. My source suddenly go out. There you go. Oh, you guys know about the Telolet Om that going to viral? That's awesome because I saw it first when the kids that do the Telolet Om put up the signage Telolet Om, and the bus, the night bus that comes by is honking their horn, and it sounds Telolet, something like that, Telolet, Telolet, something like that. And there's a different sounds also, but there's a lot of full song, something like that. Some is the Telolet one, and just read it about it today that it's went viral, and a lot of like the DJs Zad, Marshmello are doing the Telolet Om, and several others, and there's going viral in New York also, and in Japan I saw it, and where else? I think it's already worldwide now. I don't know. So yeah, I'm proud of that little things that makes everyone happy. And there's one video that I saw. It's Telolet Om. It's like, where you guys? You like in the hangar, and they were asking for the pilot of the plane to honk the horn, but and it's going through the like a sound something like that. I don't know if it's a visual effects or not. Visual effects, sound effects. But yeah, it's so funny. I was talking about the Friday nights. So if you guys have Friday nights, it's mean that you can hang out with your friends in the club, something like that, or hang out for a party. And but in Indonesia, there's a belief that Friday nights, all religion, I think, said that there's a belief that Friday nights it's the time that. Why are you speaking like that? It's the not that spirits come roaming. It's most likely like Halloween, but it's every Friday nights. And if the next Friday is on is 13th, and on clean, it's more powerful they are. So I don't know why, but each time it's Friday night, I always do karaoke and I sing along until like almost midnight. And tonight it's 20:36 p.m. And I think that's it for the stories. But oh, I just watched Ghost Adventure. Ghost Adventure. I'm sorry. I'm always switch those two events, but it's not the same. The channel on the YouTube upload Ghost Adventures every Friday. So I always watch it either on Monday or on Tuesday. So I recently found there is a paranormal lockdown. It's also the guy on the Ghost Adventures, Nick Groff, I think his name, is like half a star. I think you can say that. It's been locked down 72 hours in the haunted, and today I found out the season 2 is 100 hours, so it's more longer than they do before. It's like something house. It's inspired a movie called the When the Lights Out, something like that. I haven't seen the movie though, but I think it's going to be awesome. And to bizarre food, adjustments at the when I think Turkey. I got chills, guys. After the wind shut the bathroom door in the other side. It's quite hard. I'm shivering, and I got goosebumps all of a sudden. And I think I'm going to end this video before something bad happen again. Oh yeah, and I see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day and night. Oh yeah, see ya.